Wouldn't it be cool if there were a solution to fight the aging process? As time goes by, our cells lose the ability to divide and grow, which leads to aging. There are two main factors that cause the death of our cells: external factor and internal factor. Cell is the basis of life. Everything starts from a cell. When excessive glucose binds with proteins, this is one of the main factors that destroy our cells silently. This process is known as AGE. It causes our skin to age. In collaboration with scientific experts, ELKEN Young has decoded the ability to regenerate cells. Derived from the stem cell of a pomegranate flower is the revolutionary formulation known as V-CENTA, which shows astonishing results in promoting stem cell renewal and protection to combat aging. V-CENTA combats excessive glucose and free radicals from damaging collagen and elastin to regain skin firmness. V-CENTA effectively renews and protects stem cells. Reinforced with 3 other anti-aging expertise, ELKEN Young can effectively reduce UVB-induced skin inflammation by 35%, reduce inflammation marker for whitening effect by 45%, successfully suppress melanin synthesis to increase viability of keratinocyte cells, is safely transported by the Advanced Delivery System, ADS, to penetrate the membrane of a skin cell. Deep within our skin, the synthesis of collagen and elastin are increased for firmer skin. The capacity of the skin's water retention is restored for dewy, radiant skin. A nutri-cosmetics that instantly provides you with luminous, youthful skin. Regenerate your skin cells from within. See remarkable results in just 7 days. ELKEN Young.